other women, we believe that all women should be given the right to their own opinion and free will to implement it in their lives. Our President of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, declared sexual and gender-based violence a pandemic in South Africa in April 2020. We supported Nelson Mandela in the struggle against racism, and we support Cyril Ramaphosa in the struggle against gender-based violence. Each hair donor receives a key ring, which is a blue heart like this one, and this symbolizes the tears that have been cried, but mainly that the sky is not the limit. This equals sign in the center of the heart reminds us that we are all equal. Each hair donor receives one of these along with cotton tassels in the color of your national flag of choice. And this is in recognition of each and every tiny ponytail that is donated. In choosing to support the Hairs with Love campaign, you can help us create a sustainable life cycle with the gift of hair simply by donating a tiny ponytail of your own hair. Because we don't know what journey lays ahead for each and every one of us, subsequently it might be our turn to receive a helping hand.
Goodbye from a few grey hairs.
Goodbye.